I mean, this is like officially get to know me video on this channel. Oh my god, guys, my leg hurts so bad. Hey beautiful queens, I know this is the first time you are seeing this face. Yes, this is the first time you are seeing this face on this channel. My name is Bashirat. Feel free to call me Bash, okay? This might be most chaotic, most location shifting get to know me video that you might come across today, because honestly a lot has happened today and I can't wait to tell you guys all about it. Initially this was meant to be a get to know me video. This is basically my first long form video on this channel. I've been some of you might have seen me on the live stream, because I used to stream every day and teaching you guys how to do stuff. But I mean, this is like officially get to know me video on this channel. Oh my god, guys, my leg hurts so bad. But today was meant to be that day that I must film and do editing and stuff. But a lot has been happening. From my baby wasn't asleep as planned. I thought he's going to be asleep so that I'll be able to have that time to have a chat with you guys. But guess what? The boy decided not to sleep today and be my enemy right now. And again, I went out to go and pick my big children from school. Guess what, guys? I'm literally in pain right now because I strained my leg. I missed my step and I strained my leg. But because today I've decided to go ahead and shoot this video, nothing is going to stop me from shooting this video. However, oh my god, my leg hurts so bad, guys. I've gone ahead and did all these face bits that you're seeing right now. Please watch it with love. I wanted to say more than I did said in the video because of my baby woke up and I was not able to continue with the recording. I was just showing you my makeup. However, there's voice over there. Please just take it as it is. This is me. This is Bash. You're meeting for the first time. What is a get to know me video without a makeup from a makeup enthusiast? No, right? So we're going to be doing this with our makeup. Number one thing you should know about me is that I was born and bred and buttered in Nigeria. I moved to the UK in 2021. Practically, I've spent about 3 years here. 3 years and few months, and it's been amazing. It's been very, very interesting seeing what other people's culture is like. I've been good here. Life has been good here. I'm not gonna lie. Compared to back home, life has been good, as it's really been treating me well. I'm a first daughter between my mom and my dad. I'm a first child. I have 4 siblings and I have stepsister from both parents. It's crazy, right? I know. And again, I'm a mom of 3 children. I'm a wife, currently married. Yes. So I've gone ahead and put my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've applied it onto my face. I have a combination skin, so I tend to get oily around my T-zone and around my cheek sometimes. So everywhere is grip now. I can go ahead and apply my foundation. I'm going to be using my Can't Stop Won't Stop in Mocha, NYX foundation in Mocha. I don't like to use too much foundation, so I just do feel pump. Maybe one end time. I'm going to be using my brush to just dab that onto my face. So while I'm doing this, another thing that I want you to know about me is that this is not the first channel I've had. Why I decided to do makeup here is because on my other channel, I have a channel that I do personal growth, personal development videos there. But I think it's not even the way I would have wanted to. Somebody was just telling me one day that, Bash, why don't you just start doing the makeup videos? But I think I don't want to start on that same channel because I think everything there is not working. Anytime I put video there, it doesn't get view at all. So then I thought to myself, I love makeup. In fact, there's a story behind this makeup. I would say there's a story behind this channel, because there was a time that I was going through uncertainty in life. And let me tell you, that is when I developed a very strong relationship with makeup. Makeup is more than just enhancing your face or enhancing your beauty. For me, makeup is therapeutic. I don't really tell people what I'm going through. There's this feeling at the end of makeup that just make me feel there's euphoric feeling after I've finished my makeup that just satisfied my heart, if that makes sense. So for me, makeup is therapeutic, and I'm going to tell you guys, if you're going through anything in life, any uncertainty right now, lean more towards your makeup bag. Trust me, instead of you, especially if you tend to overshare, your makeup bag should be your best friend. That time that you want to share to somebody, grab your makeup bag and then It might sound crazy. Talk to yourself as you're doing your makeup. You forget about everything. You will even forget that you wanted to share something with somebody. Yes, that's what I've developed so much self-love into myself that I don't really want to share my stuff with other people, if that makes sense.